Hello everyone, hope all is well today. Today we'll go through question 7 on numerical variables. It's a question involving the elections of 2011, federal elections. We essentially will concentrate on the Maritimes. There is a file called the election 2011 Maritimes. I'll go inside of Blackboard to go get the file. So I'll click and save link as, and then I'll put the file called the elections 2011 Maritimes. It's a text file into my documents folder. Okay, so I'll save that, and then if I go back to the question, so I'll go to question 7, and so here we're interested in the variable called the percentage of rejected ballots, and this we'll see it inside of Minitab. Essentially we want to build an appropriate graph to describe its distribution. To do so we'll build an histogram, and then in the next few questions we're asked to compute some statistics, the mean, standard deviation, get the 5-number summary, and so we'll do all of this with Minitab. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll open up Minitab. I'll go to File, Open. In general, Minitab is looking for Minitab files, and so here we'll tell Minitab that we want all types of files. I'll go to my documents because this is where I saved it. You'll have to go to the folder where you saved your file, and the name of the file is called election 2011 Maritimes, and so I'll select that file and open. Okay, and then we'll see that there are a few columns. The first one is the name of the writing. Second column is actually the numerical variable of interest, and so here for each writing we give the percentage of ballots that have been rejected. So for example, in Avalon, which is the writing in the first row, there were 0.5% of the ballots that were rejected. Okay, and so we'll construct a histogram for this numerical variable. So we go to graph, histogram, simple is fine. And then in graph variables, we select the variable which is in column 2, which is percentage of ballots. We select that, and then we press OK. And then we should have our histogram. If you press on the different components of the histogram, for example, if we click on the title of the histogram, you can actually change the text here and give whatever name that you'd want. Okay. So if I maximize my graph, go to File, and then Save Graph As. So Save Graph As, and then I can save the graph. Here, Minitab is going to save it in the Minitab graph type of format. Here it's better to save it in a different type of format, for example JPEG or PNG, could be TIFF, could be BMP. All of these are accepted by Word. So if you want to insert the graph into Word, it would be good to save it in one of these formats. Okay, so JPEG, PNG, TIFF, or BMP, they're all fine. Now I'll discuss the computation of descriptive statistics for a numerical variable. So if we go to Stat, Basic Statistics, Display Descriptive Statistics, and then here in variables I put in percentage of ballots rejected, which is actually my variable in column 2, so I'll select it. And then if I click on Statistics, which is inside of the dialog box, Statistics, I can actually select the statistics that I want. By default, everything should be okay. I can unselect SE of mean, and then press OK. And then Minitab is going to construct a table with all the descriptive statistics for our variable, which is percentage of ballots rejected. N is equal to 32, so this means that there are 32 writings. N star is the rows with missing data, so here there's no missing data. And from these 32 rows, we got a mean of 0.6594, standard deviation is 0.2917, and then we have our 5-number summary. 5-number summary is the minimum, first quartile, the median, third quartile, and the maximum. Alright, so this is how you construct a histogram and compute some descriptive statistics for a numerical variable with Minitab. Alright, thank you.